Yeah.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is like Sunday and I just watched a video on YouTube and it has made me feel inspired to cook. So I'm going to cook chicken and I'm going to marinate it. So it's around 9 and I'm going to marinate it for about the whole day. So it's probably 5-6 hours marinating it. So the chicken is like supermarket bought chicken or kwa mama kibanda. So I'm going to use the honey. These are all the spices we're going to use. Some spices I bought in India. Angalia ka video. Some spices I bought in India. Like this one is curry and curry, Indian paprika. I'm going to wash it first with tap water. And then I like to wash my chicken because I really don't like the smell of chicken. Like, you know what I say, in a bend. So I'm going to put I'm just going to eyeball. So I'm going to wash it also with white vinegar. The reason, if you don't have white vinegar, you can wash it with salt. You can put salt in water and wash it. This just remove that awful smell that it has. Ama utasimama pale juu.
Hapo kuliko wewe.
Sivyo ni sawa? Naonekana poa. Lakini iko poa. And then I'm going to put like a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of vinegar because I'm going to use it to marinate it, obviously. Then we're going to move over here because I'll finish with that. And I'm going to, okay, let me wash my hands. Don't want cross contamination. We're going to, let me try and find a spoon. Why can't I not find a small spoon? So I'm going to use this spoon.
There's a small spoon inside there.
I cannot be bothered to look. So this is Indian turmeric, bought from India, like literally Mumbai. So I'm going to take small, like if you can, really small. Unaonekana Solange?
Unaonekana na spices zinaonekana na kuku.
Yeah. So I'm going to take like, okay, I need to have like a different. But I don't like the kwaribu vyombo, so I'm just going to do this side. So I'm going to sprinkle a teaspoon of turmeric, paprika, also from India. Indian paprika tends to be a little bit spicy, and because we have a child who's going to eat this chicken, we have to put a little bit of paprika. I think this is enough because it's hot. I don't know why Indian paprika is hot. So a little bit of paprika, and then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. We're going to squeeze some lemon juice on the turmeric to activate the turmeric antioxidant properties. Yeah, makes the paprika more active. Not the paprika, the turmeric more active. Some honey. This honey is from Happy Monkey honey. The reason why I'm adding a teaspoon of honey is for to have like a sweet and sour.
You could just have said too much.
Too much. Okay.
Or less.
So I'm going to use like this. Use the curry. Curry, I think it's curry powder, but they just name it curry in India. I like to use little spices. A little goes a long way because you still want to feel the texture of the chicken. The next thing, and another thing, these containers are just like, I'm trying to utilize things that are, see the real original containers. So I had to put my spices in, like, you get, yeah. So this ginger, I don't know why they roast ginger like this. ginger powder. Another thing we're going to use is chicken masala. Reason why I'm going to use chicken masala is because it has black pepper, it has garlic, ginger, chilies, coriander seeds, turmeric, cumin seeds. So I'm going to use a little bit of it. Because as I told you, Solange is going to eat this food and I don't want it to be curly for her. But if she was not here, I could have put a lot of chilies because your girl loves chili. I'm going to put soy sauce. Shake it, shake it, shake it real good. And we're going to sprinkle. As I told you, I like to put a little bit of whatever. Oh, I've not finished. And another thing, I always forget my spices if I have so many spices to put. We are going to use this already crushed ground garlic and ginger. Buttered curry and I don't think I like it. I can't feel the smell. I can't feel the smell.
Like they really don't have smell.
Yeah, why? So I'm going to use because I love garlic and ginger.
Why is it frozen?
I don't know why.
It was from the fridge.
I guess so. After that, we're going to use our hands. Let's wash our hands again.
Wash your hands.
Come here. Kuja karibu sasa. Come closer. Come closer.
Just nitaanguka.
Shuka. We're going to mix these goodies.
It smells like it has already been cooked.
Okay.
Yes. Do we just say like give us 1 minute? I can go get the salt.
Okay. She has told you, guys. I like measuring my salt because I always forget. Like I always put too much salt if I can't measure it. This is what we need. We mix it.
Mix it with the hands.
Solange is trying to persuade me to cook, to bake chicken. To bake what?
Chicken.
No, the other thing you told me to bake, and I'm refusing.
Cake. Or what? Yes. Chicken wings.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna squeeze the lemon because we love that lemon. I need to zest.
The juicy lemon.
Yeah. I prefer to waste anything. You see all those juices to waste.
Yes. Are you sure you have used every ingredient?
Yes.
Okay.
And we're going to zest this because we need the oomph.
We need the peels of the
zest.
lemon.
They're called zest.
Zest.
When I do English. I think that's enough.
It will make it look like ginger or something else.
Yes. Now we're gonna wash our hands again. Like you need to wash your hands thoroughly.
Every time
so that
before you cook anything.
Yes, so you don't cross-contaminate anything. And we are going to put this in the freezer. Again, we need to wash it so that we don't spill any dirt in the fridge. He did. Okay. Now come along. You're gonna put it here on the top freezer and let it sit for about 5 hours or 6.
5 hours.
If you don't have time, you can even put it for 1 hour. But the longer it marinates, the better. The better. And that's it.
Give us 5 hours, we'll be back.
And in the meantime, don't forget to hit that like button. hit that subscribe button and share. And this is everyone be something. What do me?
I was the one who was videoing it all the time.
And you saw it. You love chicken.
And I love chicken.
Okay. We're gonna
Make sure you click that button.
Okay. 5 hours, over 5 hours marinated. Now we're going to coat our what? So I'm going to use Kemunto and bake this baby chicken wings for I swear. So I'm going to bake this.
You just
Okay.
You.
Inaonekana vizuri Solange?
Inaonekana vizuri, ni chanda amepita tu.
Well, no shaking.
I'm not shaking.
So then I put them out. I got chini kidogo. Yes, evil. So I'm going to put them in the oven.
How many chicken wings are in there?
Over 8. So I'm going to put it on the oven. 200 degrees Celsius. And make the oven first. So I'm doing my chicken. I don't know how to say it. But I oven working. Oh, the other side. So we're going to put the timer for 45 minutes, but we're going to check and let them cook.
And you're gonna have a taste test.
Yes. Hiyo ndo part yako unapenda. Now we're going to let the chicken bake. While it bakes, we're going to search for a recipe how to make a barbecue sauce or something, because we want, when they get out of the oven, we want to, like, I don't know, I'll just show you. Yeah, we're going to stir fry them in the barbecue sauce. And this is the videographer for today, and I'm not holding the camera, she's going to hold it for you. Are you excited? Peri, I don't know what sauce I'll call this, because I'm only using things that I have. So we're going to use onions, and we're going to use ketchup, and what else, and coriander. That's about all that I'm going to use, because the chicken already has a lot of marination, sufficient. Now you're going to flip them over. So after turning them upside down, I'm going to put them in the remaining hour. These are the baked chickens. Now we're going to toast them in this pan. We're gonna drink some wine as we are cooking. Cheers! Translucent. We're going to add in some tomato ketchup. I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup. And stir. get like this kind of mixture, you're going to add your barbecued chicken wing. Wow, goodies. This is the part where you can add your chili sauce, your peri peris. We're going to eat this with rice. For international. Inaanza kunukia. Now it's time for Dania. Aleka mingi. Akita kwa kama ndani unajua nanukanga vibaya.
Hapana kuweka mingi. Sasa nikatakata.
Ndio ndo konoko. Sasa utaweka kwa kapo. Joint effort. Ziko kwa hiyo beshen hapo hivi.
Hata next time nafaa kupika hii kuku like mbili. Ndio mtu akule atosheke, si ndio? Okay. Now Solange is going
tenda.
Solange
Uko sawa. Estu amsakishameka.
Aje? Just testing.
Nakula yote bebe. Acha kwanza nifanye kazi hizo nzuri. Texture. Tamu lakini.
Ukweli kwa kwa?
Yes, sawa.
Haina skari.
Iko skari. How, what's the taste? Solange?
Unajua iko wet.
Solange na
Delicious.
Njaa, uongo, hakuna utama ya nini? Kuku. Hakuna swali lingine, hakuna kitu kingine mnasema. Okay, muoneshane bones.
Of the ocean.
What? Utalingana na mama made, so ni mama made. Nini hata okay hiyo? Okay, sawa. Mna boiled rice. So this is how you cook broccoli. You dip them in a boiling hot water. Boiling water. Add salt. Add salt, of course I'm going to add. And then let them cook for 1.5 minutes on high heat. Cover it up. And voila, that's it.